Hello and welcome back again. Today we are going to create this stunning infographic design. Let's get started. Let's first enable the guides and then format our background. Right-click and choose Format Background. Select Fill Type as Gradient and make it a two-step gradient. Apply light gray and bit dark blue color to these steps and change the gradient direction. Now go to Insert tab and draw rectangle. After making it no outline, duplicate this shape 5 more times using Ctrl+D. Please decide the distance between each shape when you create first duplicate. Next time when you create duplicates, PowerPoint will remember this distance and place them accordingly. Select all shapes and align them centrally to vertical guide. Now adjust the height of each shapes as per your requirement. Let's now give these 2D shapes a 3D look. Go to Insert tab and draw ellipse shape. Its major diameter must be equal to width of rectangle shape. Make it no outline and change its solid color. Align this ellipse shape to top of rectangle as shown. This is bit crucial. Now create a duplicate of this ellipse shape and align it to bottom of this rectangle as well. Holding Ctrl key, drag these bottom and top ellipse shapes to all rectangles as shown. Now select first rectangle and its bottom ellipse shape. Go to Shape Format tab and union them. Similarly do it for other set of shapes. Now let's apply gradient colors to give it a 3D look. Right-click on first shape and choose Format Shape. Select Fill Type as Gradient and let it be a two-step gradient. Change gradient colors using color palettes. Also change the gradient direction to vertical. Now add another step to this gradient pattern and change its color. Remember, this color must be lighter than the previous two shades. Apply two-step gradient to top ellipse shape. Change colors and set its gradient direction opposite to that of bottom shape. Now using Format Painter, apply same set of gradient pattern to other shapes as well. Change colors using color palettes. Let's speed up to save time. Now let's create shadow to each of these shapes. Go to Insert tab and draw a ellipse shape. Make it no outline and apply dark gray color. Now choose Format Shape and go to Soft Edges feature. Increase its value to get desired shadow effect. Place it at the bottom of each rectangle shapes and send it to back. Press Ctrl+D to duplicate them each time. Now let's create vertical and horizontal axis to this design and add text fields. So here is the final preview. Hope you all liked it. Don't forget to like, share and comment.